this is Dr. Selene Kuo. I'm so excited to be invited sharing with you all the lecture entitled Navigated Digital Full Mouth Implant Rehabilitation in the courses of Vista Institute. Through this lecture, I'll walk you through the latest digital dental equipment, softwares, and most importantly, how to integrate utilizing all of those in the most complicated full mouth rehabilitation patients with the best accuracy and efficiency. Starting from the digital interdisciplinary treatment planning workflow, the NaviSmile plan, which developed throughout the years by me and my team members, particularly focusing on terminal dentition, will be introduced and discussed with the intervention of digital prosthetic-driven concepts. The navigated full digital implant placement protocol, the NaviSmile workflow, will be then presented by detailed steps along with the various clinical cases. The last fun part, I'll be introducing the current limitations and the applications for the latest invention of the digital appliances when fabricating the digital full arch definitive prosthesis. The equipments for such as how to accurately take a full mouth definitive impression. Is it possible to digitally transfer the TM joint records for the desired occlusal scheme for the definitive prosthesis? What's the optimal prosthetic design and the material choices in the modern dental field with the evidence that can be utilized? It will all be covered. Let's have fun together and hope to see you soon. Take care.